Sakay. Naglaing ni King Kongon. Naglaing. Kita maniteng. Mati. Naglaing ni Bunso. Nagdakat tayo. Yes, yes, go to school. Hindi na pala gamin sa aduan dati timba dito eh. Kada mausar. Sa doon kita timbatasan, kada mausar. Ulit. Pati pagdigos ni Joy. Nagtungsit yung ano naman ti kuya pinagabulo. Ako na? Pinilidod itong mga bado mo. Tigang-tigang. Oh, really? Hello, the best you, Zaby. Shout out. Magki-Christmas na guys. Baka pwedeng pa-Christmasan niyo. Okay. Ito yun niya. Hello, USB. English only, sir. I'm from Philippines, so speak in English. Don't speak like that, okay? I don't understand what you're saying. Hello, Kakrawala Anwar. Also hard to read your name. I'm sorry. Thank you for joining again my live stream, guys. Parang tanteng ka dyan. Nagluin mo ni Kingan. Hello, boss Etok. Shout out. Hello. Welcome to my live stream, guys. Advance Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Ika dyan, atagkupin ni mama ni. Ika. Please, you speaking Uzbek Sila. What flag is this? Sorry guys, please English only, okay? I don't speak any language or other language, just English and Filipino. Tik tak, tik tak. Gajan ping. Jan sim panak ni Jan ikini pa. Brum ng kanina. English, not Spanish. Okay? English.
Okay.
Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Hello, how are you? Nava Ratnam, hello, shout out sir. King Kong, King Kong. Yeah, good evening. Very good evening. Wanna be my person? Oh, I don't have money to... I don't have money to... Ano na yun? Pasahod.
Wow!
No. It's okay. All I want today is money. Money I want.
Yeah, go
Oh, Sri Lanka. Shout out. Sri Lanka. Yeah, welcome to the Philippines.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thanks for welcoming me, Sir Nava. Shout out to all Sri Lanka there.
C. D. Egg. Elephant. Fish.
It's more happy if someone
Gorilla.
help me. Like be my member. Hello, Amal.
Igloo. Goose. Kangaroo.
A strawberry, wow.
Lion. Monkey. Bears. Octopus. Pig. Queen. Ring. Sun. Rain. Umbrella. Van. Watch. Telephone. Yellow. Zebra. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Eagle.
Aba nag-drum-drum ni Papa na. Ay, Niki, nang mo isulot. Muna gari lang. Awan daji king, han mo narinig. Kamay mo dyan ni Peng. Thank you na. Simpot mo ng pisit-pisit. Kamay mo dyan na. I need $100 to pay my rent. My rent and my expenses or allowance to buy food. But if you are kind, you just give me double or 3 times 3. I'm just kidding. Just give if you want, and if you don't like, it's okay. No more pressure. $1,000 or wala ba ang $1,000? 58. 1, 2, 3. 58. Oh, 58. 58,000 no. Not 58, 100 or $2,000 enough. Why you want to give me? If you give me money, God bless you more than you give me. It's better to give than to receive. My tenant is here and asking me my pay for rent, and I'm asking to give me 2 days. Oh, my friend, hello. No, I don't want to beg you. Just give me if you want, and if you don't like, it's okay. But my tenant is here asking me to pay my rent. I am happy to if you be my member here, or if you give some, because I have 25, 26, 27, $27 left. $27 left here, so I can withdraw or I can get my salary here in YouTube. More than friends. Friends with benefits. This is my part-time, guys. Cleaning food. This is my tenant house. Roll over. Yeah, I'm single, guys. No one wants to marry me. I'm only 18 years old. See, guys, my t-shirt. So many holes. Hi, Apo. I am actually looking for someone for marriage and live. Oh, Saudi Arabia. Oh, I heard about Saudi Arabia. They are very kind and very thoughtful. I don't know if it's true or not, but that's what someone's telling me about Saudi Arabia. Hello, Aisha, Miss Aisha. Hello, shout out. Please don't forget to subscribe and support me, guys. Please help me reach my goal. Oh, you can take care of me? Oh, you help me first. Prove you can help me or you can take care of me because my tenant is here. He talked too much about my rent, and I'm begging him to give me 2 days. I love you too, Miss Aisha. Tatay Warren, agwa kati bulong sabah. My parents is not here. Yeah, and guys, may I ask your help? I really need to. This is my goal. $27 left, so I reach my goal. I almost 3 years doing live streaming or YouTube, but still. Thank you, Miss Aisha. Are you a boy or girl? I don't want to talk about marriage because my priority is now to survive. You're girl. Welcome here, Miss Aisha. Yeah, thank you. Please help me, guys. Oh, really? Did I read your name good or did I misread? Hello, Miss Aisha. Shout out. Welcome to the Philippines and to my live stream. Please enjoy my live streaming and talk to me. Yes, guys, help me. Be my member, guys. $27 left. I'm begging you, help me. This is my money now. 16 pesos. I don't know in 00 point something. But in the Philippines, it's 16 pesos. 10 pesos. This is our coins. 10 pesos, 5 pesos, and 1 peso. You're from Philippines? Yes, I'm from Philippines. That's why I told you welcome to the Philippines. Guys, please support me. $27 left so I can withdraw my money. I'm almost 3 years, but never experienced or never, you know. No. Mano ti 16 pesos iti Saudi Arabian son. Mano ti 16 pesos no Arab. 1 real atoy? 1 real only, guys. I only 1 real. So please, guys, help me. Then my tenant here, and she like that. He like that. Trying hard. You need to be trying hard. If you don't If you don't want to, or if you want to live, you need to trying hard. Even it's hard, you need to be strong. Even someone's laughing at you. I am doing live streaming some other apps too, guys. If you want to follow me, you can follow me. Ah, really? But you can help me. You can help me, guys. $2 is okay. It's okay if you give me $2 or $10. It's okay. Better $27. So I achieved my goal. So goodbye again, guys. Later again. You can follow me on other apps. So because I'm live streaming some other apps, I'm live streaming 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Philippine time. Goodbye. I will live stream again later here. Baamon turog ka no akan maririin mo nakaturog. Goodbye. Or you want to still stay? Wait.
Kasi hindi sila sanay sa ganitong mga pangyayari. Forced na ito. Pero syempre nakikiusap tayo sa mga tao eh. Kapag inaasa ka rin karoon ko, magiging 10 lang yung isang video zone. Pero kada sa pumilo na pinagdiyan, kapag lang ka, magpapadala nga tayo ng 1,010. No? At mga tubig plus other facilities katulad ng portalets, etc. Upang sa ganon, may temporary evacuation sites na mamamanage natin. Kabilang sa mga sinyalis na binabantayan ng PIVOX para magtaas ng alert level 4 ay dahan-dahang pagganap ng magma, paguga, at pamamagaan ng bulan. Pag nagkaganon, posible na talaga ang major eruption kung saan maaaring umabot sa 10 kilometro ang taas ng ibubura-abo. At ang napakagano
Ito ko muna ang anak ko sa
alert level 4. Dapat po lahat po ng maaring maapektuhan ng worst case scenario eruption ay naka-evacuate na. Dahil ang alert level 5 po is nearly a statement. Statement lamang po siya of ongoing worst case scenario.
Siniguro naman ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang kahandaan ng pamahalaan para magsagawa ng kalawakang pagliligtas ng mga residente.
We're ready. We know what to do, and we have already started to send food packs, and we already started to send all of the things that we can to those who are in evacuation centers.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, June Narasyon, nakaputok, 24 oras. Naghahanda na ang inyong GMA Kapuso Foundation para sa Operation Bayanihan para sa mga apektado sa pagputok ng panlaban. Kasama po yan ang nagsasagawa ang GMA Kapuso Foundation ng route hacking kasama ang 303rd Infantry Brigade, 62nd Infantry Battalion, Philippine Army, at iba pang volunteer sa Bagong City Elementary School. Ang relief goods at KN-95 masks ay
ipapamahagi po natin bukas para sa 2,000
Joy, mga nerd!
ng La Castellana, La Carlota at Bagong City, Negros Occidental. Sa mga nais mag-donate, maaari po kayo mag-deposito sa aming mga bank account o magpadala sa Cebuana Luwalier. Pwede rin online via GCash, Shopee, Lazada, Globe Rewards at Metro Bank Credit Card. Nanindigan si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na hindi magpapadala ng Navy warship ang Pilipinas sa kabila ng mga panibagong pangaharas ng China. Sinabi niya ngayong anibersaryo ng United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea na isa sa kasehan ng Pilipinas sa pag-iit ng teritoryo at soberanya sa West Philippine Sea. Nakatutok si Ivan Mayrina.
Sa mga nakalipas na linggo, panibagong mga insidente ng agresibo aksyon ay pinamana sa China sa loob ng exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas. Mula sa paglapit na helicopter ng China sa mga Pilipinong nangingisda sa Rosso Creek o Kiropua. Peligrosong panharap, pagpangga ang pag-water cannon pa sa mga barko ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources of BIFAR. At pinakahuli, ang bagong insidente ng panglalaser sa barko rin ng BIFAR. Ang nakababahala pa ayon sa Philippine Coast Guard kung dati pang Coast Guard o militia vessel na ng mga barkong gamit ng China sa pangaharas. Ngayon, Chinese Navy warships na at nasa Pangulo na raw kung tatapanan ito ng mga barko ng Philippine Navy. Sagot ang Pangulo, sa kabila ng pangaharas, hindi magpapadala ng Navy warship ang Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea.
We are not at war. We don't need Navy warships. All we are doing is resupplying our fishermen, protecting our territorial rights. Okay, it will be provocative and it will be seen as an escalation. We don't do that. The Philippines does not escalate tensions. Quite the opposite. The Philippines always tries to bring down the level of tension.
Matatandaan kong isang linggo lang, sinabi ng National Task Force on the West Philippine Sea na posibleng i-deploy na rin ang Philippine Navy ang mga warship ng Pilipinas para sumabay sa mga ginagawang resupply mission ng BIFAR at PCG sa mga mahisang Pilipino. Pero sa akin ng Pangulo, walang magbabago sa diskarte ng bansa sa West Philippine Sea at hindi kailanman magiging bahagi ang bansa sa paglala ng tensyon sa rehiyon. Ang pahayag ng Pangulo kasabay na ika-42 anibersaryo ng United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea na siya'y tinutuloy na sa ligang batas sa karagatan na layong magtakda ng mga karapatan at maiwasan ang tensyon sa pagitan ng mga bansa. Ito rin ang isa sa mga basehan ng Pilipinas sa pagitan ng teritoryo at soberanya nito sa West Philippine Sea.
As it upholds its lawful claim to its maritime entitlements, the Philippines has continued to engage coastal neighbors to discussions on the delimitation of the exclusive economic zone, continental shelf, and the extended continental shelves measured from lawfully drawn baselines where this maritime zone is to overlap.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Ivan Mayrina nakatutok, 24 oras.
Sa kulungan ng bagsak ng isang dating kadete, matapos siyang mabistong nagbebenta ng mga illegal na armas sa bypass operation. Narito ang eksklusibo ng pagtutok. Nakipagtagpo sa isang kasindahan sa Bulacan ng suspect sa kanyang katransaksyon. Naligid sa kanyang alamay, puro pulis pala. Mula sa van kung saan nakasakay ang suspect, inilipat niya sa trunk ng kotse ang mga baril na nakapalot sa insulation foam. Nagpabot na ng bayan ng pulis na naka-undercover sa suspect. Udyan na kailangan na itong kapit.
Hugot ka!
Arestado ang suspect na nagpakilalang dating kadete ng isang military academy na sinipa makaraang magpaputok ng baril sa London training facility.
So, magitan social media, nakipag-usap po ang ating social buyer. Unang alok niya, may papel daw yun, transfer lang.
Ayon sa PNP Maritime Group, ibinebenta lamang ng suspect sa halagang kulang 20,000 pesos ang mga armas na nakuha sa kanya na kanabibilangan ng isang 9mm at kalibre 45 pistola.